Hey guys, so it is the end of a long day in a long week, but I wanted to do my sort of before portion, and I'll do a before picture, of course. So my hair is pretty much black. Sorry, once it hits like 6:30, 7 p.m., my children are like feral. It's a thing. They're like absolutely insane. Anywho. Okay, so this is my hair now, but I've been wanting to do a gloss. So this is called Sauce. Gloss. Saucy, glossy, whatever. So it is a color and a gloss, and it's supposed to help repair your hair, and you're supposed to use it in between colorings. So it adds a bit of a color, but it also adds some shine. So I feel like when I go dark, I feel like it looks shiny in this lighting. But anyways, I wanted to give this a try. So you are supposed to use this on clean hair. You're supposed to use gloves, obviously. But it says, God, I'm getting close to needing reading glasses, so just bear with me. Anyways, apply evenly to clean damp or dry hair, depending on desired color intensity. So we'll have to see which one of those is supposed to be a better color payoff. Leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Oh, dry hair and longer time gives more color deposit. Rinse with water until the water runs clean. Repeat as needed for color refresh. Do not use this on lashes or brows as it may cause blindness. Cause blindness, that would be just something. Okay, so this is in dark brown. So I really wanted to try this because I was curious as to how it would look and if it would give like a little bit more of warmth, you know, to my hair, maybe some dimension, I don't know. So it's supposed to refresh faded color, repair hair damage, bond building, revives hair, add shine. So my hair is obviously quite fine and quite damaged. Just like the rest of me. Okay, so we are going to wash and blow dry. And then, all right, so my hair is freshly washed and blow dried. Okay, so it smells nice. It looks black though. I know it's not, it's dark brown. It's just a very dark brown. Okay, all right, so we got gloves. It looks almost like henna. Okay. Okay, so we are, ooh, okay, so let's not get too much on my scalp, as it looks like this will obviously dye it. Honestly, it's more of like almost a gel. But again, I kind of like, I can't not get it on my scalp. I mean, that's really hard to do, to like just get it on my hair. I'll try it though. All right, so here we are. So I actually think it's pretty gorgeous. So I left it on for 20 minutes. Okay, so I left it on for 20 minutes. Again, it was a different consistency that I wasn't expecting. I guess I just expected it to be more runny like hair dye, and it wasn't. It's more of like kind of a gel. So my application process was like probably not ideal. I probably should have approached it a different way. I couldn't exactly say how would have been better, but either way. So it was fine. It rinsed out beautifully. It just looked like I had like chocolate in my hair when I was rinsing. Just a ton of color. But again, not a terrible, like there's no like ammonia smell or anything like that. It looks really shiny. It feels softer. It was starting to feel pretty damaged. I know, shocking. It's not like I dye my hair a lot or anything. But anyways, I really like it. I think it's beautiful. And also because it's not as strong as a like straight up dye, there were a couple spots on my scalp and they were pretty easy to kind of like scrub off and remove. So it says repeat as needed. Yeah, so it doesn't tell you. But anyways, I think it's really pretty. It feels nice. It looks good. This will probably, so we'll see how long it lasts. It will probably be a great thing to do in between dyeing. Like if you have a lot of gray and you just need something to get you by like another week or something like that. So let's see how this wears and how long it lasts for. But for now, it looks gorgeous and it was easy, and I really do think it looks like a little bit more, I don't know, like it gave me some thickness back, which I feel like I have a problem with because my hair gets so beat up from all the dyeing. So I'll leave you before and after pictures, and I'll let you know in the description box how long it lasts. Thank you.